Hello, this is your boy, about a gent. So today I'm not your regular content creator, guys. Like, I'm not.
Who are you?
I'm a survivor. A random day raised dog. I'm like, I open my cupboard with confidence, bro. With pure confidence. And the baba is by the middle of the month. You has now 3 onions. 1 cup rice. Ne soup. Those things, bro. 3 onions, 1 cup rice, ne soup, boy. I had to make a plan. But firstly, I couldn't believe it, bro. Ngayivale cabbage in disbelief, bro. I closed it. I tried to open it again, thinking maybe kuzophuma pizza.
What?
Me thinking kuzophuma pizza, bro. Mangiloku ngicabanga ukuthi kuzophuma pizza, boy. I closed my eyes. I'm like, God, if you would turn Jesus' last bread into 100 loaves, please put a pizza in my cupboard. Please put a pizza in my cupboard.
My God never flop.
Then when I open my eyes, bro, man, it's in your bag. It's the very same things, bro. Wow. At that moment, again, I knew I wasn't a restaurant anymore. I was a survivor, bro. Depending on 1 meal.
Not as long as we have our imagination.
For sure, you know very well, bro. Week 1, I'm telling you, week 1, I was still him. I was like, nah, I could go like 3 days without eating, bro.
Cap.
Pela, looking at that cup and 3 onions, bro. I was still him, bro. Week 1, I counted I picked like pieces of rice as 10 and a slice of onion. I was cooking, had to spicy. Then I was like, nah, it ain't that good, but it's effective, bro. It ain't that good, but it's effective. I had to be a Muslim, then I fast, bro. I fast like 3 days.
Yeah.
Then week 2, things started getting different, bro. Now I was hallucinating ingredients. Hey, Baba, I even started negotiating with the food. Started negotiating with the food, bro. Nothing happened. One onion rolled off the table. I was like, bro, don't run away. We're in this together. That onion was so nonchalant, bro. He kept running. Then I started smelling other people's food, Baba. When they're passing by my room, I started collecting that smell like Wi-Fi signals. Niland. Me, the man who was still him in week 1. But in week 2, I was something else, bro. I was mutating. Hey, Baba, I could smell someone's food from dead floor. I was like, God, whoever he is, I forgive you. Right now, your son has no food. There's something else, bro. Why are you standing outside my room? I was like, bro, the Wi-Fi is bad. I'm getting signal. Can't you know why, bro? I'm eating the smell now. Yeah, Baba, I changed degrees. They're saying he's a scientist, bro. Doing equation. Yeah, Baba, they're saying Shama equation. 1 onion divided by 5 days. Carry hunger, then equals pain, bro. I was insane, bro. Now, bro, Google. Searching, can you photosynthesize as a human being? I was trying to make my own food. Week 4 came. I was no longer hungry, bro. I had spiritual awakening. Bese ngisele ngama-course ayi-5 rice. Onion wasn't my food anymore, bro. Like, so we lifestyle. I looked at the last onion that rolled off the table. I was like, bro, you're no longer food. You are the final boss now. Then one night I had a dream, bro. In that dream, on a full plate, chicken, juice on the side. Hallelujah. And fries. And fries. Oh, shit. Then mangvuga. It's still the rice I had. There's no meat, there's nothing, bro. I had to report live to customer service. There's no way. Then week 5. Money came in, bro. Felt like a king. Then I bought chicken, I held it like this. I was like, you're finally here. Then I was like, where were you? Where were you all my life? I was struggling. Njengoba ucabanga ukuthi life is hard. Just remember, I survived on a cup of rice. Amandla. Onions and one soup. One soup nebheni. Life is not hard. Your daily survivor is here. Remember, I had no sauce, no money, no dignity. Just me, the rice, and the onion. So yeah, guys, that's my story. So if you like the video, comment, like, and please subscribe. Because clearly, Baba, I can't go through that again. No corner, bro. Peace.